It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm at the Sahara, Las Vegas. Now the Sahara, of course, has been in Las Vegas for 50 years or more, but a few years ago it became the SLS. It was bought and now it's been sold and it's back to being the Sahara, Las Vegas. So let's go see what there is to eat. One of the new places to have a drink here, the Kasbar Lounge, is one of the new locations. It has a kind of that throwback name to when the Sahara was the hipster spot of the Rat Pack. That was a long time ago. It's, you know, in its more recent years, it kind of fell into disrepair, and now it's back. The Sahara, Las Vegas. Definitely been refreshed, renewed. I mean, they did that when it was the SLS, but now it's back to, well, just being called the Sahara, and that's enough for me to make me feel a lot better about visiting the Sahara. I always liked the Sahara. It had a certain old school charm, as seedy as it was. Something about that I liked. Here's the Kasbar Lounge. Not exactly looks like the 50s or anything, but you know, there are touches. There's a lady here. You know, a lot of the eateries that were here when it was the SLS have closed. One of my favorites, Cleo, which was Mediterranean food, that's no more. Bazaar Meat is still here. That's a Jose Andres place. I think that's about the only restaurant that survived. This doesn't quite make me feel like I'm at the old Sahara, but I guess it never will. But there are things about it that remind me of the Sahara, like the pool. Unfortunately, they still have these dumbass statues, things that they built when it was the SLS. They got rid of that blob out front, so hopefully they'll get rid of this stupid duck too. So here's the Northside Cafe. This is their 24-hour coffee shop. I've eaten here. It's pretty good. In fact, they invite you to make yourself at home. This is 24 hours and they serve, you know, like diner type food, but also Chinese food. They call it the Northside Cafe and Chinese Kitchen. Hey, and I even see a sign for spaghetti. One of my favorite foods. I'm not sure if there's any other places to eat here right now. I think this is the High Limit Lounge over here. Nobody in here. I mean, there's nobody even working in here. So certainly nobody playing. So right here is the space that was Cleo. It's something called Bella Bistro right now. It could be anything by the time you come to visit the Sahara. I do miss that Cleo. I miss the Sahara in general. I had a lot of good times here, a lot of fun times, gambling and eating and just feeling like I was in Las Vegas. A lot of these new hotel casinos, the new ones and the ones that kind of redesign themselves, they all kind of end up looking the same to me. You know, I like the themes of Las Vegas, the pyramids, the castles, even the Mirage. I mean, it's like an oasis in the desert, full of slot machines. Winner. I really don't know if there's anything to eat around. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's Beers and Bets. So this used to be, I think this was Umami Burger, and now it's Beers and Bets. Yeah, still says seat yourself at Umami Burger. But I guess it's like the sports book. Looks like you can make your bets over here. You can get your beers and burgers over here. What I really want is a buffet, but they don't have a buffet. The SLS never even had a buffet, and the Sahara, well, it did for a while, but it went away. It wasn't that good. In fact, it was terrible. But that closed like back in like, I don't know, 2005 or something. Well, there's one more place to eat down there I see. I think it's, looks like a taco place. My lips are watering. My mouth is like, tacos. Guess I'm gonna go check that out. There's that lady again. There it is, Uno Mas, street tacos, spirits. Guess they really enjoy you sitting yourself around here. I need to look at a menu. Let's take a look at this menu here. See what this says. Street tacos, 1 for $6, 2 for $11, and 3 for $16. It's a little pricey. Well, pricier than like, you know, Taco Bell. Looks like they got more going on than Taco Bell though. Looks pretty good. Well, as much as I love tacos, and you know, I'm in the mood for tacos, but I'm also in the mood for spaghetti, which they have next door at the Northside Cafe, and Chinese food, which they have there too. I just want a buffet, and I guess I'm just gonna wait until the new Sahara Las Vegas has a buffet. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Sahara Las Vegas, and be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat. It's all you can Vegas.